नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, friends, scholars, students, sportsmen, officials and professionals, doctors and ministers, advertisers and media members. I welcome all those who are listening around the world. Your presence is really praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. I cordially welcome all and thank all of you and the blessings, grace of God which is showering on us for taking the steps to improve, to reform, for the betterment and upliftment of our society and nation. How we can improve our society, how we can upgrade our nation, how our country can change from developing to developed countries. Basically, it requires the awareness towards the environment and atmosphere. Later on, we learn great techniques from the nature. Nature itself creates different type of technique, skill, standard, design, varieties, colors, everything nature has. So nature itself is complete with having the presence of man. We can enjoy the nature. Nature is our teacher. Nature is our doctor. Nature plays the role of a guide. Nature plays the role of a mother. So for overall development of the human body, it is required the presence of nature and the freshness of our environment and atmosphere. For becoming more healthy, energetic, we spend a lot of time, energy, money on purchasing and buying the products which give us energy, but the products that are provided by nature free of cost, we do not care, we are not awakened, we are not paying attention towards them. That can be really useful for our body, mind, atmosphere, environment, family, society, and even for the nation. So if we start becoming aware about the nature, then we learn a lot of things. Nowadays, when we talk about the sound and light, which is the two elements very common among the different languages. When a child starts learning with the tuning of nature, then a child starts learning from sound and light in the presence of their parents. Sound helps a lot. Without vision, without light, sound helps a lot, because sound waves are the most powerful waves. When a child is in the womb of mother, child can feel through the waves. Child can know through the telepathy. So it is very important to know the concept of sound and light. If light and sound both are available in the form of internet, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and a lot of things has been started in this modern era. Market has flooded with cheaper and better devices. But radio has reached at its bottom of popularity, which was the symbol of sound. Through sound, we observed that where do we stand, and we easily could feel that what is happening, where is happening, how is happening, why is happening. So our imagination was the greatest at that time, because we were the listener of the radio sound only. Radio was the great source of creating the imagination, so which is the greatest power of the romantic age also, which was started in England, romanticism, but the same can be played a great role in bringing the nation up. But it would be a gross injustice to say that radio is not relevant today. I am convinced that the radio has all the potential to play an important role even today. It would not be an exaggeration if I say that the future of radio is bright. It goes without doubt that radio is the oldest and the cheapest source of entertainment and information. The persons, those who live in villages, those who are uneducated, it is really become a great trouble for them how to operate, how to run different programs of social media on the mobile. If they have touch phone, it has become a great problem for them. Even today it is much in demand. It is easily portable. You can put it in your pocket and enjoy the services provided. But on the other hand, we have TV and computer. These are the cumbersome devices. These are portable. We need many accessories to run them. Radio is battery operated, whereas most of the TVs and computers are not. These days, FM means frequency modulation radio has instilled a new life in the popularity of the radio. FM radio has now become the heartthrob of every class of people. Toll-free calls have made radio the first choice of the listeners during the day. As regards diversion, radio entertains without much diversion. At the workplace, many people use radio, not TV, as their source of entertainment. They use music provided by radio to increase their efficiency and minimize diversion. Radio is eco-friendly, but TV and computer are the sources of pollution as well. Consumption of electricity is many times more by TV and computer and the internet. Soldiers defend our borders. They have a dire need to entertain themselves while they are defending the borders. Their major source of interaction with the rest of the world is the radio. Radio is the safest and the best means of entertainment and information. Through the radio, they easily can get the information by imagination. So it breeds our imagination. The imagination which works a lot in creating newnesses, in bringing great changes in the field of agriculture, in the field of industry, in the field of service sector, insurance, marketing, and in all the fields of our treasury. So it is only the radio that creates imagination. But if we use TV, then we invest a lot of energy in watching as well. Our energy level does not become concentrated in other social media sites and in other social media programs that we see on internet, Facebook, YouTube, whatsoever we use at home or in the form of indoor and outdoor. We cannot get the real advantage of the sound, power of listening, power of speaking, power of reading, power of writing, and even power of learning. So it is really great thing for us if we have a radio. Our old age people, they are very fond of listening radio news because they have good imagination in their mind. They can think about the invisible things. They believe in unwritten. Unwritten is more powerful than written for them. Unread is more powerful than read for them. And unlistened is more powerful than listened for them. So really they are very close to the realities and imagination. Our old age people know this thing. There was a trend, there was a fashion, there was a great advantages of this technology. But now the technology in the form of computer, internet, Facebook and other electronic devices has been produced in oceanic number of things. So these things are also helpful, but if we do not use these things as per their limits, if we do not know the limits of these things, then these things become a great harm. It creates a great pollution, it creates a great problem for our daily life, for our routine life, for our personally and socially, emotionally, even spiritually also disturb these things. So for improving the standard, style, skill, talent of our society, of our nation, we must be